It's time for a Game Boy video game review. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to talk about the Game Boy Advance SP 256 MB. This one contains, if I may believe the cover, 153 games. So yeah, really nice. I hope you can see the game list on the camera. It got some pretty good games, but there's one thing I'm already noticing. It's very simple. If you look at this, the first three are red, and I know why it is, because these are the GBA games, and the rest of all the games are NES for filling up the multi-game card. So let's unpack it and yeah. Let's see what kind of games we have. Oh, before I forget, let's take a close look at the game cartridge. It got that quality seal or bloody blah, you cannot open it. It even got a Nintendo logo on it. Oh my god. Yeah, the label itself is pretty basic, so nothing special at all. So right, and now I'm going to stick it in my Game Boy. I'm going to try it on a DS. Yeah, let's do something else. Yeah, like I was expecting, the first three are just the GBA games, and if I select the fourth version or the fourth one in the row for game 004, yeah, there are just all NES games again. So yeah, let's take a closer look at, alright, Super Mario Link Bros. Oh my god, what is this? It is indeed the character from Link. Oh man, I've never seen this hack before. I get a little heart. Alright, this one is really neat. Oh, there's a one-up looks. A black heart. Alright, that is really awesome. There's a little bit of a shame it's shooting that ball. But really awesome that you can get the sword as a second power-up. Really nice. And alright, we're back in the main menu. Alright, let's try out Raging on Fire, Rain on Fire. I think this is what we can expect. It's just an original GBA game. Yeah, I can understand why they are doing this. I have seen it almost every time. It's very simple. They do this dual space, and they want to ram up as much as possible games on one multi-game card. So yeah, that's the reason why they are making the choice of putting 1, 2 or 3 GBA games on it, and just putting the rest of the NES games. What is this for game? I never played this one before. This is more like a cannon fodder, if I'm saying it correctly, game. You're just running out with a group of people, shooting everything you see. Alright. So yeah, for the final conclusion, I must say, I already expected when seeing the package that they are using a few GBA games, the rest NES, but what I really love about this card is there are a lot of clone games, a lot of clone Mario games. This is actually Mario 1 with Sonic there as a character. What is that? I have really no clue. Oh man. These animations are not the best I've seen, but for oh, there's a power-up, look. What kind of sign is that? So yeah, people, for the final conclusion, I really love this game. Hey, it's still glowing, but it's a really fun multi-game card because I got a lot of room group games. I really love it when the Chinese people do this. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching, and thanks Multi-Card Collector for lending me this so I can make a video about it. Really cool, really fun making videos about multi-game cards. And I want to thank you for watching, people, and see you next time. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, I don't give a shit about Twitter, but Instagram. I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.